फीस दुगनी हो गई है। PP इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, एजुकेशन विद अ स्माइल।
Welcome to Sudhir Classic Golf 2012. Sudhir has been associated with a lot of golf tournaments before, like the Toyota Cup, Admiral's Cup, but this time he has decided to host his own cup. And we are on luck because it's a beautiful chilly morning and it's too perfect for a game of golf. It's difficult to get up and get going in a weather like this. कड़कड़ाती ठंड, सुबह सुबह का वक्त और छुट्टी वाले दिन सुबह उठने में और भी आलस आता है. But these guys think otherwise because these guys are game for golf. Also because spring is the perfect season to go golfing and the flavor of this season is this particular tournament. Registration counter पर खासी भीड़ है और ये जमावड़ा भी है खास. एक दूसरे से मिलते जुलते हाथ मिलाते इन लोगों में एक चीज कॉमन है. इन सभी को है शौक गोल्फ खेलने का.
It's a lovely weather and a very good day to have a round of golf.
I'm crazy about golf. Honestly, that's my passion. That's the only thing I cannot let go.
हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि जब हिंदुस्तान में नए शहर बनेंगे तो हर शहर में अच्छी गोल्फिंग होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सही माने में बेस्ट रिजुवनेशन है.
We count days. Monday has gone, Tuesday has gone, Wednesday has gone, Thursday has gone, Friday has gone. We look for that.
If there's anything else that I love other than my business, I love golf.
Important people from all walks of life are here. ये सब अपने अपने फील्ड में माहिर है, लेकिन इस फील्ड यानी कुतुब गोल्फ कोर्स में गोल्फ खेलने का शौक इन सभी को यहाँ ले आया है. मोंटेक सिंह हैज अराइव्ड. चीफ गेस्ट फारूक अब्दुल्ला भी आ चुके हैं.
Golf is a sport in itself. You can blame everybody else, but you can't blame in the golf because the ball is the only thing and your club is there. Whatever you do, it's all you. You can't point finger to somebody else. Secondly, it's a sport which makes you walk, so it's an exercise, and on top of it, it's also where the character of the person is found.
इस पूरी चहलकदमी के बीच मुरली कार्तिक भी गोल्फिंग के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं, लेकिन किसी भी खेल को भूखे पेट तो खेला नहीं जा सकता. And because everybody had arrived early in the morning, so now it's time for some पेट पूजा.
Well, golf is the only game where the ball doesn't move and you can miss it. So I think that just sums up golf. So, you have to take one shot at a time and enjoy the company and just enjoy the game as you go.
Well, I do play golf during my sleeping time because I get up at 5 o'clock, finish my 9 holes maybe in 2 hours. And the day I play golf, I'm in office earlier than the normal day.
How does it feel to be here?
Very, very relaxing, very entertaining, very relaxing. Fabulous day for golf. I really am deeply thankful to the organizers of this Sudhir Classic Golf Tournament. Really, really very interesting, very entertaining, very relaxing.
It feels great to participate in this tournament, behind which someone like you is there. And as has always been said, golf is about making friends, meeting people, and keeping up with friendships. We first met on a golf course, and we continue to maintain our friendship because of golf. So it feels absolutely great.
Today I have come here. Now I realize that it's a great stress buster. And if you can take out 2 hours of time, I think you can, when you go back, you are more recharged and you are fit to take number of challenges again.
सभी चीफ गेस्ट के एक के बाद एक इनॉग्रल शॉट्स के बाद ही शुरू होगा असली खेल. जस्टिस C.K. प्रसाद, जस्टिस आफ्ताब आलम, and Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court, Vikramjit Singh.
Sponsoring allotment tournament, we made a bigger contribution to this fabulous game draw.
सुबह सुबह ये सभी खिलखिलाते चेहरे इन्हीं गुब्बारों के अलग अलग रंगों की तरह है जो यहाँ आकर मिल गए हैं।
Plays straight in life, plays straight in golf. Reason, what is the secret?
I think secret is golf, secret is sports, and playing with people who also hit straight and are straight.
Now, of late, I've been noticing you have lost about 10 kilos, become more firmer, trimmer, ever since you have gone to Bangalore. जरा इसका सही मायनों में सच्चा सा राज बताएंगे?
Naturally, it is to play better golf. What else could it be?
सुधीर कप की पहली बार इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है, पहली बार स्टार्ट हुआ है, उसके बारे में कोई?
ये बहुत इनक्रेडिबल गोल्फिंग की है, बहुत ही
वंडरफुल,
बहुत ही प्रोफेशनली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है और बहुत पर्सनल टच है इसमें और बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से ऑर्गेनाइज किया है। तो सुधीर गोल्फ टूर्नामेंट तो बहुत ही हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बढ़िया टूर्नामेंट।
इनॉगल शॉट्स के बाद सभी रवाना हो गए खेल की तरफ। So the game is on and there's a lot of action yet to come. So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
देखिए बिजनेस और व्यापार की हर खबर की तस्वीर एकदम साफ, क्योंकि देश के हर बड़े DTH प्लेटफॉर्म पर उपलब्ध है वी बिजनेस, देश का पहला हिंदी बिजनेस चैनल।
रोल कैमरा एक्शन।
माँ, माँ मुझे नौकरी मिल गई माँ।
कट, जूम इन, लोकेशन चेंज एंड एक्शन। Slow motion. Trolley. Close up. HMI on. Zoom out. Silence. Roll sound.
My resignation. Thank you, sir.
Taking. Crane down.
जिंदगी की पिक्चर में इंटरवल नहीं होता।
Pen left.
Kissing down. बढ़ती का नाम जिंदगी। Axis Bank.
Action. गुड न्यूज सर, आज से आपको पेट्रोल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। 20%।
लॉटरी लगी
तो मेरे बाकी के पैसे इंक्लूडेड डाले। वो तो आपके हाथ में ना। 45 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाइए, रेड लाइट पे इंजन ऑफ कर दीजिए, 20% पेट्रोल तो जरूर बचेगा। बात तो वही है ना,
सेव फ्यूल यानी सेव मनी।
टाटा वेंचर, बड़े दिल वाला।
फ्लेयर राइटोमीटर पेन में है बहुत सारा इंक, तभी तो यह है दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा लिखने वाला पेन, फ्लेयर राइटोमीटर पेन।
Hi, welcome back. I think today I've realized that there's a similarity in everything. There's a similarity between cricket and golf. There's a similarity between business and golf. There's a similarity. Well, people find similarity with golf because they really want to. खाने वालों को खाने का बहाना चाहिए, इसीलिए खेलने वालों को खेलने का बहाना चाहिए। चलिए देखते हैं।
How much do you think golf and cricket have in common?
Apart from the fact that it's a ball game and you play with a single bat in the case of cricket, yeah, it's a stick game. I think, again, I'll come back to the same point. It teaches you, cricket is a great leveler. And I think sport is a great leveler, and this sport is the same.
True entrepreneur must know all the aspects of his business, finance, people control, HR, everything. Same as in golf.
It's not just a game. Golfers also believe that golf teaches them lessons for life.
golf teaches me that how do you challenge your limits, and no two shots in golf can be same. So you got to manage the course, you got to manage your shots, and also your mindset.
इसीलिए गोल्फ के दीवाने चाहते हैं कि इस खेल की बेहतरी के लिए और ज्यादा कदम उठाए जाए, जिनमें से एक हो सकता है एक्सपैंडिंग टूरिज्म थ्रू गोल्फ.
Land is a huge problem, but there must be in many parts of the country the possibility near tourist resorts to develop golf courses. Whether that's commercially going to be feasible or not, I don't know. But it's true that all over Asia, people do that, and it turns out to be, in the end, commercially profitable.
I think golf is one of those things which is connected to tourism very much, especially for the state of Kashmir. And golfers don't mind taking that extra chance to go there.
We are also doing a project in Mumbai, near Thane, where we are making an 18-hole golf course. All around it is Thai villas, which has got a swimming pool in each villa. So we are making a 200-acre township over there.
If I could afford to play golf 23 years ago, I would have taken up golf. It's just that you need people to come forward, and especially industries to come forward and sponsor all those promising players who can't afford to take their game to the next level, and I think that's key.
If you want to, create the buzz going around, it has to come from the younger generation and with affordability, keeping in mind the masses. That is very important. So we need many more golf courses like the Qutub.
Particularly Southeast Asia is full of world-class golf courses. It's a pleasure to play there.
So which one is your favorite?
Good questions. Good question. We recently played at Mission Hills, and this was a course designed by Ernie Els. That was a lovely course, so I have very fond memories of that course.
There are golf courses that have come up in and around Delhi, but not enough. Definitely not enough. This is a very classic example of what's come up, and it's a good course.
I think it's one of the fastest growing sports.
कर रहे हैं तो ट्रेनिंग होगी तो चैंपियन निकलेंगे, और इंडियंस ऊपर बहुत आते हैं. आप देखते हैं जी मिल्खा सिंह है, अटवाल है, ये है, वो है, रंधावा है तो गोल्फ तो उठ रही है यहाँ.
गोल्फ की जो ग्रोथ है 100% है एवरी ईयर, और गोल्फ बहुत पॉपुलर हो चुका है इंडिया में. और कई ऐसे जैसे प्रो एनएम होते हैं या ऐसे टूर्नामेंट जैसे सुधीर इनका टूर्नामेंट है, इससे खेलने का एक मौका मिलता है और लोगों को मिलने का मौका मिलता है. बट गोल्फ काफी पॉपुलर हो चुका है.
The game is really catching pace, and the golfers seem to be getting more competitive.
Well, believe me, today for me it's a great day. I'm playing 2 over in 12 holes.
Oh, wow.
Never played like that before.
Yeah?
I think I'm challenging my limits today.
Well, my partner was doing wonderfully well, playing under 2.
Were you jealous of him?
I am, sure I am, and next time I'm going to take extra strokes from him.
एक बार गोल्फ आदमी खेलना शुरू कर दे तो टाइम अपने आप निकल आता है. बाकी सब चीजें सेकंड प्रायोरिटी हो जाती है, गोल्फ फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी हो जाता है.
You want to hit the ball right, you want to go straight, and it was totally relaxing game.
गोल्फ की बात हो और टाइगर वुड्स का जिक्र ना हो, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Who is your inspiration?
My inspiration, I think Tiger Woods, and I keep on watching him.
मैं हंसता रहता हूँ, और मेरे पिताजी भी थे फौज में, भाई भी था, तो वो लड़के को कहते हैं भी स्कूल नहीं जाना, डट के खेल, ताकि तू भी टाइगर वुड्स बनेगा और हम भी आराम से रहेंगे और तू भी रहेगा.
दूसरे देशों से आए और भारत में रह रहे एम्बेसडर या बाकी ऑफिशियल्स को भी यहाँ आकर खेलने में काफी खुशी मिल रही है.
I think we get along excellently, and I think the people-to-people relationship is a very good one between India and Singapore.
India is seen as the elder twin, if you like, and therefore a hand-holding is expected and is received, in fact.
If these two countries collaboration together, they can change the world view, like Nehru and Sukarno. They changed the world with Asia-Africa in non-aligned movement.
There are 3 more ladies, उनमें से 2 French ladies भी हैं. तो कोर्स पे खेलते हुए एक तो मजा भी आ रहा है, और उनके देश के बारे में, उनके रहने सहने के बारे में, उनकी हॉबीज के बारे में, तो एक नई तरह की फ्रेंडशिप भी बढ़ रही है.
सचमुच गोल्फ ही एक ऐसा खेल है जो अनजानों को और करीब ले आता है.
I think there is a general perception that the golf is only for the 60 plus. I want to give the message to them that this is not a 60 plus game. This is a game for everybody.
I agree. This game is not just meant for oldies. और इन्हें देखकर तो ऐसा ही लगता है कि ये बच्चों का ही खेल है। अगर आपको लगता है ये सिर्फ 7 साल की उम्र से ऊपर का गेम है तो आप बहुत गलत सोच रहे हैं। हमारे साथ बहुत प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हैं जो गोल्फ खेलने आए हुए हैं। सब अपना नाम बताएंगे।
अव्यल, आर्यन,
आर्यवन,
शेहान।
तो आप सब लोग कितने सालों से गोल्फ खेल रहे हैं?
1 महीने,
एक महीना? एक महीना। और आप?
4 साल।
4 साल। आप कितने बड़े थे जब आपने गोल्फ खेलना शुरू किया?
मैं तब अभी मैं 10 का हूँ, मैं था 6।
He was 6. All right. And what about you?
3 साल।
3 साल से गोल्फ खेल रहे हैं। और आप? 2 साल से। तो सबसे अच्छा गोल्फ कौन खेलता है? सबसे अच्छा। अच्छा, आज सुबह कितनी देर से आप गोल्फ खेल रहे हैं? कौन जीत रहा है अभी?
अभी अगर मैं सच कहूँ तो अभी अगर पटिंग करूँ तो ये पटिंग में बहुत अच्छा है मेरा दोस्त अरमान, और अगर ड्राइविंग और सबकी बात है तो मैं।
These kids know more than I know about golf, so I am feeling I'm speechless kind of, क्योंकि यहाँ पर इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं और सब खेल रहे हैं गोल्फ। I think आप लोगों को भी आना चाहिए and you should go for it because it's such a fun game. It's very relaxing. It's for kids, it's for young people and it's for the old. So just go for it. सिर्फ बच्चे ही नहीं, golf is really becoming more and more popular among the ladies. What is your message to the girls, the women who want to play golf and they want to, they also want to have a good time? What is your message to them?
Well, I think they have to be relaxed, enjoy, and get a good coach and keep hitting the ball. It's nice and enjoyable.
In this very tournament, for the first time, over 20 women golfers participated, and according to Sudhir, ये तादाद बढ़ती ही जा रही है.
Sport, as a matter of fact, has picked up a lot, and when we people golf in any of the golf courses, we find many ladies playing the sport, and I don't see a point where very soon you would probably find more ladies in the course than men.
And so, there was a putting competition organized especially to encourage these budding lady golfers.
I was a golf widow till the time my husband was only playing the game, and it's a very time-consuming game. So the weekends was like 3/4 of the day gone, and when he's coming home, he's like, "Mall chalna hai, shopping chalna hai," because he used to be angry at home. Now he's like very happy because I'm on the course with him. So he's like, "This is the best thing I could ask for."
And ladies know very well that if not cricket or football, they can opt to play golf to stay in company with their husbands.
When I realized if I don't play, I'd be rather waiting at home for him most of the time, and now that we play together and we play as couples also.
Well, this game of golf has been really inspiring, but we need to unfortunately cut for a short break. But don't go anywhere, because after the break, an amateur is going to try her hands on golf. Oh, did I tell you? It's me.
सामान्य में से असामान्यों का गौरव, Zee24 अनन्य सम्मान 2011।
चुप क्यों बैठा है? चलना। वो खोलूंगा तो मार देंगे यार। डर के मारे चुप बैठना ओल्ड आइडिया, न्यू आइडिया। ट्रांसफर कर, बिना मुंह खोले सब बोलते।
एक 3G मोबाइल अपलोड और इंटरनेट बन गया। इंसाफ पाने का नया आइडिया।
पर कहाँ है चश्मदीद गवाह? बुलाइए मेरे बुजुर्ग दोस्त। 25,83,000 चश्मदीद गवाह हैं मिलॉर्ड।
चश्मदीद गवाहों को मतलब
न्यू आइडिया, आइडिया 3G स्मार्टफोन, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter और इंटरनेट के पावर के साथ।
चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी,
गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी, थोड़े अगाड़ी थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े अगाड़ी थोड़े पिछाड़ी, चक्के में चक्का।
ना वो दिन वापस आएंगे, ना वो फ्यूल के दाम।
Take a test drive and win 6 Micras. फ्लेयर राइटोमीटर पेन में है बहुत सारा इंक, तभी तो यह है दुनिया का सबसे ज्यादा लिखने वाला पेन, फ्लेयर राइटोमीटर पेन।
एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट मुझे गोल्फ खेलना नहीं आता है और इसीलिए मैं अब ट्राई करने वाली हूँ गोल्फ को। आप मेरा साथ दीजिएगा क्योंकि आप में से बहुत लोग हैं जो गोल्फ खेलना नहीं जानते हैं। क्या क्या टिप्स हैं मेरे लिए, स्पेशली जिन लोगों ने कभी गोल्फ नहीं खेला है, जिनको नहीं मालूम है गोल्फ के बारे में, उनके लिए?
You see, golf is no rocket science. For example, we are standing on this practice putting green. I will show you how the putting is done.
Let's just try it out first.
So if it goes in, this is where the putt is. If it doesn't go in, now if at all like I would have followed the line, then it'll go in. First time I showed you, I did not specifically follow the line. I took the putter like this, then it'll not go in. But if you've got the line and you follow it on the line,
so I'm gonna follow it on the line. Yeah. I'm gonna use.
But you are a righty or a lefty?
I'll try it with the left hand.
When you try, you keep in mind that the ball should be kept in the middle.
I think I can do it only with my hands because in one day I cannot learn golf. ये तो पेशेंस थी सुधीर जी की जो उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया, लेकिन आप जरूर ट्राई कीजिए because it's a lot of fun and relaxation. गोल्फ खेलना आसान काम नहीं है, इसके लिए बहुत सी चीजों का ध्यान में रखना जरूरी है.
A lot of people tend to think that golf must be some easy game. All you got to do is just swing at a ball. But if you ask me, it requires technical knowledge about the game. So we got to be absolutely certain that your swing is right. More so to somebody who believes that no strength is required. I'm sorry to say that. If you don't have the strength, you'll never get your first shot off in the right manner.
You need to have a lot of focus also while you're playing at it. Of course, the skill is there, but I think the patience and perseverance, all these things come along with the golf.
But I would like to know from you in terms of what do you feel our fundamentals have been that we've been able to move on in a fashion when the world slowed down, but we still moved on?
Well, you know, all emerging markets are doing a lot better than industrialized countries. I think India is doing better than most countries in the emerging markets. And that's really due to, as you say, fundamentals, a good savings rate, a large investor community, some level of investor confidence. I think we have our problems also. We need to do a lot better on infrastructure.
Everybody says it's all for fun, but ultimately it comes down to the prize money. Where's the money, honey? So let's have a look at who has won the prize.
Believe me, we will see today how many prizes are kept, so like all that lures you to play better. And I know people who take lessons and they have come half an hour earlier and they have done their practice rounds and before the play
getting
begins.
competitive.
So it's highly competitive and I don't know who's going to win.
Contests we had put on the course were a bit too tough. So we decided let's give out a lot of the prizes in lucky draws because that was the whole idea. Everybody should enjoy and go back with something nice.
और अब वक्त है इस खूबसूरत सुधीर क्लासिक कोर्स ट्रॉफी के विनर्स की अनाउंसमेंट करने का। इस टूर्नामेंट के ओवरऑल विनर रहे मिस्टर केशव मिश्रा, हु इज द हेड इन्वेस्टमेंट मैनेजर इन बेयरिंग प्राइवेट इक्विटी। हैंडीकैप कैटेगरी बी के विजेता रहे मिस्टर संजय भल्ला, हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ मार्कटेक इंडिया, with the runner-up of the handicap category B being Mr. Ranjit Kamath, Executive VP Finance, PepsiCo India। और वहीं हैंडीकैप कैटेगरी सी के विजेता रहे मिस्टर अनुपम भारत, MD उषा इंटरनेशनल लिमिटेड। बाकी कैटेगरीज में विजेता रहे मिस्टर थ्वेरी रॉबर्ट, मिस्टर मनोज कुमार, मिस्टर CK प्रसाद, मिस्टर MK प्रसाद एंड मिस सोनिया सिंह।
Absolutely fantastic, top of the world. Since it's my first time, so it's definitely awesome.
So a lot of ladies were playing for the first time. Are you one of them?
Yeah, I'm one of them. My husband is a golfer. He plays, but mine is his first time, and it was absolutely fantastic and encouraging.
The first time I played in this golf course, so I had to, to see how it was, and it was quite difficult at the beginning. But well, things went well.
Delighted to win this inaugural edition of the Sudhir Classic. Had a great time. Wonderful golf, great people, and beautiful course.
The tournament is over, but the journey has just begun. I'm talking about golf. Golf एक newborn baby की तरह है इंडिया में. It's still shaping up. ऐसे बहुत सारे टूर्नामेंट्स में हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे. तब तक के लिए हैप्पी गोल्फिंग।